Hello, Dr. Ali with Premier Oral Facial and Implant Surgery in Ashburn, Virginia. Today I am going to explain to you what is a dental implant and what is the dental implant process in a nutshell without diving into too many details, just for you to understand how dental implants work. I'm going to be using a three-dimensional model that I generally use when I show my patients what dental implants are and how the process goes, just to help them understand the process. So let's say you are missing a tooth, just like you will be seeing in the picture here, and you want to restore that tooth. You want to replace that tooth. So then what we will end up doing is putting a titanium alloy implant that goes where that missing tooth is, and we let it heal for a sufficient period of time. After that implant heals, we come back and expose your implant and then send you back to your dentist. After you go back to your dentist will start working on getting some impressions of that area and fabricating a crown that's going to replace your missing tooth in this manner. If you are interested in dental implants, please call our office, visit our webpage, Facebook account, TikTok account, and Instagram account. We frequently post cases that will show the process and will show how dental implants work.